Hello everyone. Question 9. So if point xy is a solution of the system of equation above and x is greater than 0, what is the value of xy? So in this question, there's a system, and the question is asking the solution. Right? So that means you should know that they are getting both. So these two equations should have a both y format. So what am I talking? So y format should be something like y equals something something. So in this case, you see y equals x squared, and we have 2y plus 6 equals 2, and then x plus 3, right? So we have y format right here. That's good, but we don't have a y format on the second one, right? So let's do the bottom one. Right? And then now you move this plus 6 to the right side, right? In that case, it becomes negative 6. So, and then let's bring this 2x to the left side. I mean, let's stay right here. Alright, then now we have 2y, and since we brought positive 6 to the right side, and then becomes a negative 6, and that means this plus 6 minus 6 becomes 0, and then we have 2x, right? Now we have 2y equals 2x. In order to get into a y format, you should divide it by 2, both sides. Now we have y equals x. Right. So let's compare the first one and the second one. So first one, we have y equals x squared. In the second one, we have y equals x. Now, let's compare these two y format. We can say x squared is x because y both are equal to y, right? So these two should be the same value. So, but then don't forget that you should treat this as a quadratic equation. This, so let's move this x to the left side. So we have x squared, and this becomes negative x equals 0. So we don't, and then, yep, 0. Then let's divide it by x. So this becomes, so x squared, sorry, yeah. So if you divide it by x, this becomes x. If you divide it by this by x, this becomes -1, right? Because -1, so negative x divided by negative x is -1, so it becomes -1. Now we have 0, that equals to 0. Now, since right here you see 2, right? This means at the end we should have a 2 solutions. And then in this case, this is the first one solution. Sorry, okay. This one is the first solution, and this one becomes a second one. 2 solution. Now we have 2, right? Total. So, yep, that's how it goes. So first solution, we have this x is equals to 0. And then second one, we have this x minus 1 equals to 0, right? So one solution and then 2 solution. This becomes 1, right? Now, we want to find the number is, this x number is greater than 0. So look at this one, x equals 0. So if this x is 0, is it greater than 0? No, right? It's equal. So this is not the correct one. How about this one? X equals 1. Is it greater than 0? Yes. So A is the answer.